Here's how to assemble your LockNLoad platform. It's simple and everything you need is in the box. You'll want to create a clean work area to assemble your platform and protect it from scratches. This area should be large enough for the platform when fully assembled. First, unpack the box and set everything off to the side. Then, grab the corner braces and insert 2 M6 square nuts into each corner piece. Insert the platform corners into the platform ends like this and push firmly until fully inserted. Pro tip: laying the platform ends with the Yakima logos upside down will prevent the square nuts from falling out of the corners. To secure each corner piece, grab 2 M6 by 25mm cap screws with washers and 2 M6 by 20mm cap screws. And be sure to angle the M6 by 20mm screws toward the hole opening like this. And fully tighten all screws with the 4mm hex wrench or torque wrench. Continue installing the other corner brackets until the outer frame is complete. Next, grab the slats. Be sure to turn them upside down to match the outer frame, and slide each slat in position under the perimeter's inside lip. Start with the middle slat and work outwards from there, and align the holes on each end of the slats. Secure each slat end using 2 M6 by 16mm cap screws with washers as shown, and fully tighten all screws with a 4mm hex or torque wrench. Now carefully flip the platform over. Position the platform supports under the center of the front and rear platform ends. Note that the notched end of the support sits under the lip. Install an M6 by 25mm cap screw with washer as shown, but don't fully tighten yet. To secure the platform supports, thread M8 by 25mm T-bolts through the platform support, through the slat clamps, and install with an M8 washer and lock nut like this, but don't fully tighten yet. Then, make sure each slat clamp engages in the side channels of the slat like this, while making sure the M8 T-bolt is captured in the slot beneath the platform. Use a 13mm wrench to fully tighten the nuts. Then a 4mm hex or torque wrench to fully tighten the cap screw. Repeat these steps to support the other end of the platform. Now you're ready to install your LockNLoad platform to your vehicle. If you are attaching LockNLoad to Yakima, factory, or other crossbars, view our LockNLoad Crossbar Clamp installation video next. And if you're attaching LockNLoad directly to our TimberLine or SkyLine tower systems, watch our LockNLoad SL Adapter installation video. And take it easy.